Going 10-12. White female. What's going on, sweetheart?
I opted not to, but that was the only thing I could say to get people to take me seriously. I needed the gate to be open so that triple...
Copy. 54 on injuries. Female stated she lied just so she can get out of the gate.
It was open when...
294, call me.
Copy. 8-10-12.
715, what's going on? Copy, 28, please. Right. Yankee 41, Golf Romeo Kilo.
Try to get her 14 if you can.
Do you have your license with you? Thank you.
Were you able to find
It's going to be a 15 in between this. It's going to be a 15 in between this.
It's not where the police cars are. No, it's over where the officers are.
Ma'am, is this your current address? West Palm Beach? What city?
Virginia Beach.
You said Virginia Beach?
Mm-hmm.
What's the phone number you could reach that?
75.
No.
Are you on the phone with the person who was trying to give you gas? Because I seen him up front. Do you know where you're coming from?
Miami-ish or...
Do you know how you ended up here?
Today?
Yeah.
You ready to have her drop that phone? Put her in cuffs?
You're gonna put me in cuffs.
If you could put the phone down for me.
I'm sorry I lied, but I could have actually slit my wrists. I really felt like this was the better
I understand
option
that. If you can
because
put the phone down
I
for
called
me.
you guys a long time ago, and apparently I don't matter as an emergency. Thanks, Ronnie. Could have just called. I've been waiting for them for hours. I don't really see why I'm being put in handcuffs. Can you explain, please?
Yep.
Then everyone would understand how serious I was about this being an emergency. Apparently that's all that matters to anybody. It's actual physical blood. explain why I'm being handcuffed,
I'm
though?
gonna explain to you everything. Trying to figure out what's going on.
So am I.
Alright. I'm gonna sit you in the back seat of my vehicle. Alright. Right here. My vehicle's right here. 1 second.
Awesome.
Alright. Have a seat. Got yourself.
That was fun.
What's your name?
Sarah.
Alright, Sarah. I'm gonna read something to you, alright? Just let me know if you understand, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You understand?
No?
You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Any statement can be and may be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand?
So can you repeat the last two?
If at any time during this interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
I cannot make no threats, no promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. You understand? So what's going on tonight?
I called
Mm-hmm.
because I ran out of gas. It
Okay.
was not intentional. I left my car running. I ran out of gas. That sucks. I understand. I called AAA. Unfortunately, they did not show up before the gate. Well, actually, yeah, they did. But then they didn't call me. And they canceled my request. And they left. I made a new request. That never happened. I made another request. The gate is locked.
Mm-hmm.
I called the Parks Department like the cops who I called suggested.
Yes.
They're closed.
Mm-hmm. So you called AAA
I
to
called
try to get out of here or to get gas.
No, because they were already supposed to be bringing me gas, yes.
Gotcha. So when you called us, what did you say on the line when you called us?
Because I asked to be got gas hours ago, and no one did.
So since you asked for gas hours ago and AAA didn't come.
I also called the cops hours ago and said it was an emergency and that I needed gas.
Okay. Gotcha.
And they said that's not an emergency.
So you called us and you...
Imagine that someone's sitting there for 4 hours. I mean,
So you just blatantly lied so we can get here?
I didn't blatantly lie. I opted not to slit my wrist.
Okay. But you stated you did already. Correct?
I have.
Look, Revis, can you do me a favor? Can you cut those lights off over here?
Yeah.
For me up front? Thank you. So you did state that you did on the line?
I stated that I did.
Okay. For us to
Because
get here?
it wasn't a blatant lie.
Okay. So we're here. What did you want us to do?
Just open the gate for the AAA guy. I asked the cops to do
Okay.
that earlier, and apparently that wasn't an emergency
Gotcha.
or
Gotcha.
something you guys could do. So I called the Parks Department like they asked, and that wasn't happening.
Gotcha. Okay.
So I called again.
All right. I understand. So, okay. So you wanted us to come here to open the gate.
That's all.
Okay. So you thought by saying that.
That seemed to be the only option. Like seriously,
You
that
could've just
really
called
seemed to. No, I
instead.
tried that. That's what's
Okay.
sad. That really that's the only thing I could think of to say.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it kind of seems like an emergency that I had to sit there and imagine.
But do you have gas to get out?
Once AAA helps me,
Did AAA come?
AAA is here. I hope he didn't leave because of all this.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's all I've been waiting for.
You can close that. Yeah. All right.
Is he
Thank
still
you.
here?
Who?
AAA?
AAA? No, I don't think AAA is here at all. Yep.
Can you guys help me get gas?
No, we can't. I don't think we can. Are
Can
you
you
here
tow me
alone?
to a gas station?
Where do you
Can you
live?
tow me to a gas station?
Where do you live? I'm trying to get these bugs out. Where do you live?
I would have been able to take care of that if I could have left this park today.
Okay. Alrighty. 1 second. Yeah, so,